Hi there and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Annie and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use Photoshop to do a general touch-up of your photos so that they go from looking like this to like this. So get your computer on and let's get right to it. Okay, so first unlock the background layer and then go up to your Adjustments tab, this little circle here, and click on it. We're going to do a brightness and contrast and a levels edit, as well as a vibrance edit as well. So first click on brightness/contrast. And now edit the brightness and bring it up just a little bit. You don't want to go too much. And then increase the contrast. This darkens the shadows and increases the contrast between the different light levels in the photo. Then go back to your Adjustments tab and click on Levels. You'll see these three eyedroppers here. Select the bottom one. You'll use this to click on the brightest area of your image, whatever that is, whatever is the closest to pure white. And your photo will adjust. The top one has to do with the darkest area of your photo, where the shadows are the darkest. So just click on each of those eyedroppers, the light one first and select the lightest, and then the darker one and select the darkest part. And now go back to your Adjustments layer and click on the Vibrance. This is where we deal with how vibrant and how saturated the image is. Take the Vibrance and turn it up just a little. And turn up the saturation only a little bit. Too much like this can really oversaturate your image. So only do a little bit, and sometimes you need to bring it down a little. Play around with the settings until the color looks natural. Alright, so now your image is looking really good. Other adjustments that you can make is to use the selective color and select the individual colors and edit them. For example, you could take the red and turn up just the red areas of your image. Or you could select just the green areas and edit just the green areas of your image. Those are all different adjustments that you can make to your image using Photoshop. But today, we're just going to keep it with the simple dials. Alright, so now we're on the phone. First, you want to duplicate the image because you want to always have a backup image that you can go back to. Then you want to click on the Edit button. Test the auto and see if it works. If not, then move on to exposure and increase it just a little bit. You're likely going to want to turn the brilliance down, highlights up, and shadows down as well. Make sure to increase the contrast just like we did in Photoshop. The brightness is where it can get a little bit interesting. Turn it up or turn it down a little bit. The black point does a little bit of an effect like saturation and vibrance does, so be careful with how much you edit the black point, saturation, and vibrance. If you want to add just a little bit of some edging detail, you can add a little bit of a vignette and either do a light border or a darker border. Either way, you want to choose the option that accents the shadows. And here we have before and after.